So I am Dr. Frank Toriello, and I have a bachelor's in physics from Columbia University. I have and a PhD in astrophysics from Syracuse University. Princeton, New Jersey. Einstein. It's Einstein land, and Princeton's amazing. I mean, so many discoveries and great people. A good day at the college is when the students are feeling good, the weather's good, and there's a nice mix of work and play. I'm a musician. Most physics people are. It's just sort of my outlet, my therapy. Apple. The operating system. Every decade has its issues, right? I suppose I'm a big Beatles fan, so it would be the 60s.